Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you around this Mercedes-Benz A250. Now this is the Mercedes-Benz A250 engineered by AMG. So this is a four-wheel drive car, so taking the four-wheel drive system of the AMG A45 vehicle, this car is virtually identical in every way. Powered by the 2-litre turbo engine, married to the G-tronic gearbox and the 4MATIC drivetrain. Easy to tell, an AMG sport engineered vehicle, and that is because it has the red detailing on the front bumper and the red detailing on the back bumper. So let's have a look around this lovely well specified vehicle. Now the car's finished in polar silver metallic, which looks brilliant on these cars, and that does then just bring out the bicolour aluminium detail and black detail on the 18-inch 5-sport wheels. Now the AMG engineered cars gets red brake calipers. We get this sport badge on the side of the vehicle, which if you look at the AMG, that has an AMG 45 badge there. So very similar. We get the grille, the diamond grille, and then the front bumper has the red detail there. All the wheels on this car are in absolutely fantastic order. I'd say that it's the best one I've seen in quite some time. Now this is a very well specified car. The last owner purchased it from the Mercedes-Benz showroom and has cared for it meticulously ever since. Very nicely spec'd up. So let's have a look at some of the options. So we've got the opening panoramic glass roof. We've got the polar silver metallic paint and the AMG wheels. We've then got privacy glass in the rear. Now this has got the exclusive package as well, which is the full black leather interior. It's got then the memory package, which is seats front are all memory heated and also electric. This one has a lovely boot, 4MATIC badge on the boot, so you can see straight away we're four-wheel drive, but a lovely boot. Now underneath the boot then we have the storage and also then the tyre inflation device. The back bumper also gets the red detailing and the twin tailpipes as of the front bumper to tell you it is the AMG Engineered edition. But these are just a wonderful car to drive. They are so, shall we say, they hold the road like no other. Mercedes engines are bulletproof, and the 4MATIC gearboxes with that four-wheel drive and 7-speed autos, they're just to die for. Now when you open the interior door, we see that the interior is exactly that of the AMG edition. So I've sold a few AMG 45s, A45 AMGs, and it's got the same interior. So we get the full black leather detail. We do have power folding mirrors for electric windows. As I say, the memory package has the seats are all there electric, and then the exclusive leather there is got the red detailing in the seat. We've then got the red contrast stitch throughout. Absolutely gorgeous. I do like the red on the vents. That just adds to the occasion as well. Going to start her up, but inside you can see the carbon fibre style detail. We get the extended leather up on the dashboard and the red stitch. We've got the driver and passenger, as I said, with the memory. But very well finished off and very well specified. So 59,031 miles from new. As I say, comprehensive service documentation. 99% of that is at the Mercedes main dealer. Heated seats, CD auto changer, so you can load 6 in there. We've got the radio system, we've got navigation, that's your disc and your multimedia as well, so you can have Bluetooth auxiliary, got Bluetooth phone. Leather trimming on the steering wheel is in complementing everything of the car. Aluminium pedal set, cruise control, speed limiter. No warning lights on the dashboard as I rev her up there. Has a nice exhaust system. We do have sport mode as well, so we can adjust the modes there on this button. Manual mode, efficiency mode and sport mode. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper on this vehicle has not smoked either, but this is as good as you'll find for a 14 plate car without a doubt. Very low ownership as well, 2 owners on this one. and as I say, purchased from the Mercedes showroom a couple of years ago by the last keeper. Absolutely gorgeous. Full set of tailored AMG mats as well. But yeah, if you want a wonderful A250 4MATIC, then I think this could be the one. Great tyres on it, 2 keys, full book pack. So everything that was given to the last owner when it was brand new is still here today. And that's the type of car that we love to sell here at Alpha Motors. So if you want to reserve this vehicle and drive it away in the same day, give us a call. We'll take a £250 fully refundable deposit. That will prepare the car for you, so you only have to visit Wigan once. At which point then, once you've test drove it, you're happy with it, you can do a bank payment and drive away in the car. Now, if you need finance, we can do finance. We'll send you a secure portal once we've got you through with the finance company. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call. We'll give you a part exchange price, and then the cost to change is one, take away the other. I'm Graham, there's Lee and Dom in sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can. Have a look on our social media pages. You'll see lots of customers from all over the country, just like yourself, looking at our cars and then collecting them once they've reserved, and they only need to come to Wigan once. Have a look on Auto Trader, have a look on our review sites. We are a highly rated for customer service here at Alpha Motors in Wigan. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.